Welcome back to recruitment training. In this section, I'll be explaining about database administrator, Oracle developer, database developer, SQL, PL SQL developer, and why it is called as backend. And that is what I'm going to explain now. Operating system, Unix, Linux, and Windows are the different types of operating systems. Now, first of all, we have to know what is a database. A software which holds the data is called as database. Examples are Oracle and SQL Server. Now, you may see SQL and PL SQL developer. When you get this one, first question is which database they are talking about. In Oracle and as well as in SQL Server, you can see this SQL and as well as PL SQL. When you take a database, there are two different types of titles. One is the administrator and the other one is the developer. What does a database administrator do? He must know the installation of the database. Then there may be different applications connected to the database. He should provide privileges to those applications, back up the data. When there is a database crash, then the database administrator should be able to recover the database. The short form of database administrator is DBA. Most of the times, DBA will not be involved in development activities, and it is all about installation, upgrading, maintenance, backup, privileges, and taking care of the database. The final thing that we will do is the tuning of the database so that whenever some queries are hit on the database, that response must be very fast. A good example is we'll be browsing our banking data through our mobile applications. And if we don't get the data within 5 seconds, we'll not wait for that one. So we'll go to a different work and will not be able to use that mobile application at that point of time because data was not coming fast. So one of the important responsibility of DB is to tune the database. Now how a developer is different. Developer is involved 100% in development work. There are a lot of programs which are to be run on this database. The Oracle developer will understand the business logic, and since he is a technical consultant, he will be able to create several procedures, functions, packages, triggers by using this Oracle. And in Oracle and in SQL Server, there are two main areas which you have to know from the technical recruitment perspective. One is SQL and the next one is PL SQL. SQL means structured query language. PL means programming language, structured query language. That means some kind of programming must be done on this Oracle database with the help of the PL SQL. Whenever you see this database developer, the first question that should strike in mind is which database they are expecting. Is it Oracle or is it SQL Server or is it some other database? Many times they will say database developer. Nowadays you can see like Oracle and Java is a combination. It will say Java developer, and when you go inside, it will explain all the duties of the Oracle developer also. So you have to be very clear on what are the expectations from the companies. So as far as this technical backend is concerned, you have to make sure what database they are focusing on. And other than that, it is very simple. Understanding the skills and trying to get the right resume is very, very simple. And that is all for the slide. Thanks. Bye.